Okay, today what I'm going to be showing you is how to terminate a telephone point. The tools we're going to need for this are going to be an insertion tool, what we call a dobber, a pair of cutters, a Stanley knife, although we would normally use a cable stripping tool. Telephone points come in a variety shapes and sizes. We'll start with the BT, what they call NTE. It's usually in two sections. This main part here is taken away. The line cables, which consist of two wires, which are normally in a pair, well, always in a pair, they go onto the A and B legs. At this point, that is normally BT's property up to there. So if you've got any problems with the socket, if the telephone doesn't work in this point here, that's down to BT or whoever your supplier is. Other extensions that you might have off your cabling will come in through the box, come out here and terminate on two of the pins here. Your extensions might be this, which is a 2-stroke 2A. Notice it has a capacitor on there. I always recommend you have the capacitor. This negates the need to connect pin 3 up, which is the bell wire. Most phones these days don't actually need this, but if you use this, then you won't need to worry about the bell wire, which can cause a lot of problems. So we're just going to be terminating on pins 2 and 5. This is the more regular size, the 85mm plate. This is a 3-stroke 2A, exactly the same, but just a little larger, standard back box. And this is a 4-stroke 2A, which is just a double outlet, which will do two different lines. Okay, so we'll be working with the 3-stroke 2A. Okay, so we take our cable and, as I said, normally we would put the terminating tool on there, wind it round and pull it off, safe, and it won't cut the wires. I'm going to be using a Stanley knife because you're probably not going to have one of these. And what we do is we take probably 3 or 4 inches, if you can spare it, and just lightly score around the cable. So as not to actually go through, and if you bend it, that will gently break the outer sheath. And this is bloody screen cable. I'm gonna bust my fucking nail. Fuck it.